I solved the mystery. This is the chicken breast recipe the millionaires were hiding. In a bowl, I'll add 5 grated potatoes, 200 grams of shredded mozzarella, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix everything very well. Here we have 3 chicken breasts. I'll make a cut like this, and before I forget, tell me from which city you're watching us so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Isabella Rodriguez from Dallas. I'm really glad you're enjoying our recipes. In a bowl, I'll add 150 grams of butter, parsley to taste, rosemary to taste, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and mix everything well. I'll transfer this mixture onto parchment paper and wrap it completely. Tell me, which chicken recipe is the most successful when you make it? I'd love to know. Then I'll place it in the freezer for 1 hour. After that time, I'll remove it and cut into pieces. Once that's done, I'll use those pieces to stuff the chicken breasts. I'll cover with plastic wrap and press with a rolling pin. I'll place a bit of the mixture on the table. In a bowl, I'll put 1 cup of flour, in another bowl 3 eggs, and whisk well. I'll coat the chicken breast in flour, then an egg, and place it on the potato and cheese mixture. Next, we'll cover the chicken breasts with a layer of the mixture. And I'll take them to the pan with hot oil, letting them fry for 7 minutes on each side. Make this recipe at home and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you'll love the result. Our chicken turns out super crispy and very tasty.